Hi guys, in this lesson we will we will learn the string in Python in different method of string or we can use string in Python. Let's go. Or we can start the string. Python Python string. String is Python are surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation mark like this hello is the same as hello. Let's we can take example the char print double double quotes hello. Let's go. Also we can take the example of practical the single quote like this. The result will the same. Let's go. We will take the other example assign string to a variable. Also we can assign one string one variable like this. Take the example my string variable or you let's print my string as so we have take the result in string we can also store in variable this example. Let's let's go the other example multiline string. We can declare also the multiline string like this. For example, my string like this. Mm. We have take the result. You can see this the multiline string. Let's go. We can see the other Python slicing string. Slicing you can return a range of character by using the slicing syntax. Specify the start index and the end index separated by colon to return a part of string. Get the character from the position 2 to position 5 not included. Let's go. We can take the example for slicing. If we can take the example, hello world. Let's we take the example of like hello world. and print a. You have seen this. A hello world. The answer is a double L. The first index is 0. Let's take the second index a 1 a and finish the 4 0 1 2 3. Just you have take the result. We can also take the other example like get the character from start to position 5 note like this. Just change this. We can take the copy and like this. Take it with hello, hello. Just this slicing, we can take the zero index 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 and other slicing we can take this. This is the result. You can take it. Python modifies string uppercase, lowercase, replace string, remove white space, split string. Just we can take the uppercase, a lowercase. Let's go. In here to upper. You can take this. Print a dot lower. You can take all the lowercase uppercase. No, we can go to forward. Replace string. Okay. And here dot replace. We can take the replace. We can take this example and like this. J. We have changed the J. Hello world. A dot replace. We have replaced the H A J. You can see this. Let's go. We can take the next remove white space like this. For remove white space, we can take the copy this and run this example for taking the result, and we can take the best like this. A variable strip. Let's take this. Oh, we can take the hello world. Echo. This space has been removed. You can take this. You can watch this split string. Split string. Split like this. Split. Split function can change the double quote, the single quote like this. Return hello. Split the double quote and return hello. We can take the next string concatenation. Also, we can take the the concatenation or combine two string. You can use the plus operator like this. Hello, we were see echo. Hello world concatenation format. Format, we use the format method to insert number into the string like this. Age text format. We have to study that's the format. That is important. Text John and my age is this. Let's go. Why this method? Format. Let's go. Now we have to error. Age 36. My name is okay. We have to uh, text. My name is John and my age is 36. Like this. That's guy. We have to finish my lesson and see you again.